Hook knitted skirt. Knit 3 lock stitches. These 3 locking needles are equivalent to 1 long needle. Knit 2 long stitches on the first stitch. Including the first 3 lock stitches, there are 3 long stitches here. Leave the 2 empty needles unhooked and knit 3 long stitches on the third needle. Continue to repeat the knitting, and there will be 8 groups of knitting patterns in total. At the end of the first circle of the skirt, draw a pull stitch on the third lock stitch from the beginning. Make 3 long stitches in the same position. Knit an outer hook stitch on the third long stitch. In this way, 4 long needles and 1 outer hook long needle form a set of patterns, and then repeat the hooking and knitting for a total of 8 groups of patterns. At the end of the second round, knit a pull stitch on the third locking stitch from the beginning. Then knit a pulling stitch in the gap between the second and third long stitches. In the third round, first hook 3 locking stitches. Knit 3 long stitches in the same place. Crochet an outer hook long needle on the outer hook long needle. In this way, 4 long needles and 1 outer hook long needle form a set of patterns, and the crochet is repeated 8 times. In the next 4th round, continue to repeat this pattern for hooking. After the 4th round of drawing is completed, cut the thread and change the thread to hook and knit the 5th round. Start the needle again in the gap between the 4 long needles, hook the thread out, and then repeat the hooking pattern. At the end of the 5th round of drawing, knit another drawing stitch in the middle of the 4 long needles. In the 6th round, first hook a lock stitch and hook 4 medium long stitches in the same position. Hook up the long outer hook needle to a medium long outer hook needle. Continue to repeat the pattern, and weave a total of 8 groups of patterns. After the 6th round of pulling is completed, cut the thread and hide the end of the thread.